Hi, this is our final project for integrated manufacturing systems. The objective of this project was to develop a program that will let a robot do a drawing trying to assimilate an animated picture on a whiteboard. For this project, we developed two different proposals. This is the first one, that is a small car that will have a total of 8 arcs and a number of different points of 61. Our next proposal was this Mickey Mouse that has a total of estimated points of 68 and a total of arcs of 32. We selected this proposal because this will represent a bigger challenge to us. For this project, we have some restrictions and specifications. The robot that we'll be using is the IRB 140 6 kilogram 0.81 meters. In this robot, we're gonna paint or drawing in a whiteboard that will be placed on the x-axis with a minimum of 350 and a maximum of 650, and in the y-axis in a minimum of minus 200 and a maximum of 200. And on C we will have it placed on 35 millimeters. The tool that we will be using is kind of a pen, and it is 124.5 millimeters long on C.
Here we have our final proposal drawing. We started in point C and we finished it in point B2. Those are our coordinates that we used. And this is our final route. Our big home coordinates are the ones are established in Robot Studio when we start the program and when we start to programming. Here we have some p-approx. We used around 11 p-approx, and those are all our points we used. This is our Robot Studio drawing. This is our final drawing. Now let's go to the software and let's simulate the drawing. Here we are using this tool. This is a marker and it's doing all the traces. Here we have our final code. This code is the one we obtained after doing our final drawing. Here we have just arcs. Well, we have some L movements, but it's just to go from p-approx to one point and then start to do the arcs. Well, in this project we had many problems since we started because we didn't have any idea of how to do the drawing. We used SolidWorks, but was very difficult to number the points. So we had to copy the drawing and put it in Minitab to number the points. It was a little difficult to upload the coordinates, so we had to copy in Excel. Then we start to use Robot Studio. But we had some problem writing the coordinates while we was codifying because there was many points and arcs. So we had some mistakes doing that. We had some problems with the arcs because for us was very difficult to put the coordinates in that part of the code. When we finished of doing the code and our drawing was finished, we figured out that there was some problems in the drawing. Some arcs didn't fit well, so we had to use Find instead C10 to have a better drawing. After that, we could finish our project. This project represented a big challenge since we were doing something that could be used in real life. Programming has always been an important but challenging thing to do, especially for me, because I'm not so good using these kind of softwares. In this project, we also encourage ourselves to experiment with the program to reach a possible viable solution. The project helped us to visualize the incredible thing that could be done with robots and the accessibility that we have to control them. And also let our imagination free to think of all the different possibilities that are open when we are using a robot.